In a racing event, you should arrive early before gun start. So the race starts at 6 a.m. and I arrive at the venue exactly at 6 a.m. when the runners are let go. Basically, I no longer have the time to prepare or condition myself before the start of the race.
Mike, ato na ka, Mike. Sana mo ng balon, Mike. Okay. Bukat kayo na ron. Bukat kayo.
So actually, I arrived in just a nick of time, right about when the race has started. So basically, I was late. I was not able to prepare my stuff, haven't yet put on my race sweep. I was totally not prepared at that point. So I started being at the back of the race and the last runner. So here we go. Let the pain and misery begin. This is a 14-kilometer trail run. Actually, this is my first time joining a trail run, so I don't know what to expect other than what I viewed in YouTube. So I am a newbie in trail running. First time ko nakatry ani kay usually road run ako gapilan. But even those that are already experienced in trail running said that this was a very challenging event. Lisod siya, dili sayon ang ruta ug ma-challenge jud bisan dugay na katigapil o trail running. So mo ni akong journey on this trail run adventure. The pains, struggles, and success throughout this whole race. If you're watching this, mura po ka og ni-appeal sa trail run. Makita nimo ang beautiful views of Mount Talinis, the steep elevation that we climbed, the trails we thread, the forest we navigated, and the wonderful people we met along the way. So watch and enjoy, and hopefully makapilpod mo sa ingon ani nga trail run pohon.
Pagkakita mo kung station sa taas ay mo kalimot refill sa inyong mga tubig kay layo pa tong second station. Ayaw po mo inom og dagang tubig. Buwat yan. Atas manggod. Kuya. Tas ba na eh? Taas pa eh. Patag na? Di pa?
Patagilid.
Pastilan.
Ikaw ay gilid. Patagilid pa sir.
Pero recovery nga kan? Recovery gamay dili. Masun hapit na eh. kuya.
Hey! Good morning, sir.
Morning.
So that was the first aid station. I wasn't able to take much video as I was conserving my battery. But anyway, salamat sa mga volunteers nga nitabang upang hatag tubig o kalanon.
Ayan. Ito tao.
Case you're wondering, ngano di may masalaag despite sa kadakon sa lasang? Kung makita ninyo ng mga pink ribbon, mo na ang among guide pasabot nga naami sa correct nga ruta. Pag wala na ka makita nga pink ribbon, ang pasabot ana, nasalaag na ka.
Okay. Actually, cramps on tail da.
Mafeel na nako nga nagsugod na akong tiil o cramping na ay slight pain but I can still manage to continue. But then look at the place. Beautiful kaayo. You are surrounded by fog, covered with ferns, makapawala temporarily sa kakapoy ug sakit. By the way, if you can see, there are two ribbons, pink and yellow. The pink is a guide that you are in the right way, while the yellow is a caution. As you can see, this plant is covered with thorns, and if you're not careful, you'll be injured.
The writing's on the wall. It won't go away. It's a no man. You just run on automation. Now, the writing's on the wall. It won't go away. It's a no man.
Dining dapita, nabiyaan ako sa akong mga kakuyog kay nagcramps na pud balik ako tiil. Naginusara na lang ko ug sa dihang na ako nakita ng yellow tent.
Layo pa sa station. Ako pa na.
Right now, turning point.
Okay, pag turning point. Pataas mo yung pa na.
Downhill na.
Ano yun ha?
Downhill na.
Ah. Nakraman na bang tila ko. Agri. Nakraman ako kaya ganiya. Pagwas na ako. Pangsot. Ha?
Pansata.
A few moments later.
Gam.
Diba?
I got severe cramps that lasted for almost 1 hour. Nitry ko walk pero di jud makaya. Shoutout ay ug thank you sa mga crew dito sa Turning Point nga nitabang ug gatusad mga runners nga nagpaulo silang spray, nalibihan jud ang sakit. Masalams kayo ninyong tanan. So 1 hour ko natamba dito sa Turning Point. Isulayan jud na ako paglakaw pero bali jud sa kita. What happened was that was my third straight day nga nagrun ko. I should have tapered or rested for this trail run. The night before, nakabati na ako pa maulo sa akong tail. Abi na ako mawala ra anang adlaw pero nagpabilin gyapon. Then also on that race, nawala pa jud akong salt capsules nga maka-prevent unta og cramps. Malas pero charged to experience and be better the next time around. At this point, murag ako na ang pinaka-last tingali sa mga 14K runners. Napay gamay sakit ug mahalok sa kumka cramps balik, so gihinay lang nako ang paglakaw.
Buntag. Ha? Oh, ikan dito. Trail run.
Yung banghap babaw.
Oh, ito na tenta to dito. Ano sila? Oh.
Show me a piece of your heart, a piece of your love. I'm calling you up to getting down, down, down. The way that we touch is never enough.
Na lang. 40 ba?
Ah?
40?
Oo.
Sa angat mo?
Ang pakulog lang.
Kaya na.
Kaya na lang.
Yeah.
What? Sorry, just quickly. What if it's
Da da da, da da da, down, down, down. Da da da, da da da, da da da, down, down, down. Show me easy, show me party. I'll be what you want, and it's physical. Keep it spinning. Show me what you want. Show me easy. Show me party. I'll be what you want, and it's physical.
Pwede kainit ay. Kapit na, gawin na siguro na eh. Layo lang ta. Basta pa naog na eh, na eh.
Reckon I won't cool NDT, you have a style of your own. The saxophone is the sound of the top of the tone, yeah. I'm a record when you run, come around, yeah. Make a move, make the whole body bubble. Let me know, say you're trouble when you're ready for the double and hit that. Nothing make play with it a little. Why you so not tickle? I'm telling you to hit that. Nothing make stay with it.
And so I ran out of memory and I was not able to document the last 4 kilometers of the trail. I feel good and I started running again as the pain is subsiding, but later on it was almost noontime and it was very hot. My cramps are coming back in, but there is no way for me to quit, and I continue despite all the pain.
Neil Olive Ayun, congratulations, sir. Ayan, so kindly claim your prize. Accomplish siya. One more, 116. And we have another finisher for the category of 00105. Time for the finisher, category of 14055. Ayun, congratulations, sir. Okay,
I would like to thank the organizers of the Trail Run Valencia 2025, also to my ever-supportive family, but most of all, thank you Lord Jesus for giving me the strength to finish this trail run despite the odds.